MATRIX provides mobile apps for iOS and Android that allow users to access online courses anytime, anywhere. To start using the app, you first need to download it from the App Store or Google Play. The mobile app allows you to browse course content easily, communicate with instructors, check your notifications on the go, and more. After logging in, you'll see the user dashboard that presents all the necessary information in a single place. This is also where you can check the agenda to see all the upcoming events, meetings, and assessments for a particular week. The collaboration features allow you to message instructors or fellow learners and keep up to date with notifications. Using the mobile apps, learners can access learning materials anytime, anywhere, even when not connected to the internet. Take learning at your own pace and submit assessments directly from your phone. Now you know how to use the MATRIX app for a seamless learning experience. Schedule a demo of MATRIX today to learn more about our innovative features.